7 students just took a test and here are their scores. If you are asked how the class performed overall, you can't just give the 7 numbers. You need one number that represents all of them. And there are 3 different ways to find that one number, and today you're going to understand all of them.
Wow!
Let's begin. The first and the most familiar method is what we call the mean, and this is basically the average. The idea behind the mean is very simple. Imagine gathering all the values together and sharing the total out equally. The mean is given by this formula, the sum of all the values divided by how many numbers there are. Let's use this formula. 5 students scored 4, 8, 6, 5 and 7. We add them all up. 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 equals 30. Divide by how many values there are, and they're basically 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And hence, the mean score is 6. That is a single number that represents all the 5 students. The second method is the median, the value that sits exactly in the middle. And for this, the rule has 2 steps. First, put the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. Second, find the value sitting in the middle. Let's try it. Here are 7 numbers unsorted: 8, 3, 9, 1, 6, 4 and 7. So for our step 1, we sort them from smallest to largest: 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 7 numbers means the fourth one is in the middle, and that number in the middle is the one that is the median, which is 6. But what if there is an even amount of numbers? For example, 2, 9, 4, 7. We sort them in ascending order: 2, 4, 7, 9. Notice that there are 2 numbers at the middle, 4 and 7. Whenever there are 2 middle numbers, the median is always their average. For instance, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Here's a common mistake made by most of the students. Students normally find the middle number before sorting the list. Always sort the list first. The third method is the mode, simply the value that appears most often. Look at this list: 3, 7, 7, 2, 9, 7, 4. The number 7 appears 3 times more than any other number. So the mode is 7. It is simply the most frequent value. The mode has 2 special cases you should know. If every value appears exactly once, for example 1, 3, 4, 5, there is simply no mode at all. But if 2 values tie for most frequent, for example 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, both 1 and 2 are modes. And this is called bimodal. Here is the real question. If the mean gives us already one number, why do we even need the median or the mode? Picture 6 employees at a small company with salaries in thousands of dollars: 30, 32, 28, 35, 31, and 500. The last one is the company owner. Everyone else is a common employee. We calculate the mean, and it comes out 109.3 thousands of dollars. But does that number feel honest? 5 of the 7 people are nowhere near than 109,000. Now look at the median, 31.5 thousands. That number represents what a typical employee earns. One extreme value drags the mean away, of course, but the median simply ignored it. One extreme value drags the mean, of course, the median barely notices it. And that is why the economists of a country report the median and not the mean. A handful of billionaires will otherwise destroy the whole picture. Let's bring it all together. The mean is the equal share of everything, but it is sensitive to extreme values. The median is the true middle, and it barely notices extreme values. The mode is simply the most frequent value, and it even works on data that is not numbers at all, like favorite colors. Before you go, try this yourself. Here is a new dataset. Find the mean, the median and the mode. Pause the video and try it yourself right now. The answers: the mean is 6, the median is 5, and the mode is also 5 since it appears 3 times. 3 questions, 3 different numbers, 3 different stories about the exact same data.